We are floating on a rock in black space, and we are still working to understand our reality and our place in it. Understanding our reality and the construct of the universe is one of those avenues. And so being able to get humanity multiplanetary, to be able to get people looking up at the night sky and excited about space exploration and moving off of planet, these are all going to lead to uncovering our understanding of our place in reality, which I can think of no more important of a venture. My name is Meeuwsen, and I'm the founder and lead engineer at Space Valves. First and foremost, Space Valves is offering commercial off-the-shelf parts, just very simple ancillary valves that every rocket manufacturer needs. There's a big gap right now in the market for high reliability, very well engineered ancillary components, and that's what we're providing right now, along with bespoke design services. So right now is a very exciting time in the aerospace community. We're kind of in space race 2.0. We're seeing launch vehicles with a higher launch cadence and a more demanding mission profile. And with that comes more demand of the vehicle hardware. To make sure that we're delivering a quality component to our customers every time, we're following the AS9100 process, where as we move through manufacturing, we're looking at the outputs and the performance of the components and using the plan, do, check, act process, where we take the outputs, feed them back into our manufacturing process and making sure that we're iterating to provide the highest performing and highest quality valve possible. There's a number of suppliers out there where they're doing bubble counts for leakage and things like that, and I just don't think that that cuts it in today's aerospace environment. Our customers need to know exactly how their components are performing, and Alicat allows us to do that. They've been instrumental in the hardware that we've supplied to our customers, being able to provide very high resolution data every single time. As a startup in the aerospace community, we not only need to be cheaper and faster and higher performing, but we also need to provide better data. And so the Alicat flow meter gives us the accuracy and the resolution that allows us to be distinguished from our other competitors. So at Space Valves, we move very quickly and we always need things yesterday. And it's really nice being able to call Alicat, someone picks up right away, you tell them what you need and they immediately have a tailored component for you that's typically off the shelf and ready to go in 3 days. And for us, that's incredibly valuable because it allows us to continue to move quickly. I'm drawn to the aerospace industry because it is very challenging and mentally engaging. The problems are always incredibly diverse, and it asks a lot of you to try to think of every different way that a component can fail and come up with novel solutions for each design. I also find it incredibly important to be working in this industry. You know, humanity is at a very special point right now where we're looking at becoming multiplanetary and moving off of planet. And I think that this work is incredibly important for the long-term sustainability of our species. So to be able to engage in that on a daily basis for me is incredibly rewarding.